average meal in the restaurant from Alaska down to Milan can cost you $12. Now, let's take for instance that you are eating 3 square meals a day in the restaurant. That is almost $40, right? Now, in a month, that can be ranging from $7,500, you understand, to $8,000. Whereas you can still use $12 to buy yourself groceries and prepare yourself a nice meal at home, which can last you from, let's say, 2 to 3 days if you are not a glutton. Now, let's look at the issue of monthly house rent. If you don't own your apartment and you are paying rent, even in the world's most expensive cities, you understand? We are talking about cities like Paris, London, Amsterdam, Munich in Germany, you understand? Barcelona in Spain. These are cities we are talking about. Moscow, Russia, you understand? These cities, you can have a decent apartment for rent in the center of the town for $1,000 to $2,000, you understand? This is ranging between these prices, you understand? Depending on the remount, you understand? The repair standards, you understand? Because we have capital remount, you have euro remount, and you have the lux, which is the upper echelon. Now, you have an opportunity. If you are opportune to live in a city or a country where the bills are not as high as mentioned earlier, you understand? Maybe you have an opportunity to live in a decent apartment for $200. Why are you trying to compete with other people and you are trying to pay higher bills than required? Save money. You are spending money on rent. How can you become a landlord tomorrow? Is it not better that you save money? Because if you want a two-shed apartment, then you should be ready to humble yourself to pay a lower amount so that you can save up some money, buy your own dream apartment, and push it to your standard. My brother, I can never relate with lazy people because I don't understand the kind of format. You get everything twisted. You understand? I don't understand if you are operating from the twisted dream. You understand? Remember, from laziness comes sleepiness. And my brother, sleep is the cousin of death. This is where haters arrive from. When you are spending money, you are not investing your money. You are throwing your money away. Later you see someone else that is effectively spending his money. Because in life, the happiest people in the world are not the people that have all the money in the world, but the people that make the most effective use of how much they have. You understand? My brother, hell and heaven is just a condition. It's not a place. You get the point now? Invest your money wisely for a better tomorrow.